That's your number one.
Don't drive distracted.
Grace Gutos is a typical soon-to-be teenage driver. She's studying for her permit and anxious to hit the road.
I can start driving and I don't have to rely on my parents to take me somewhere where I need to be.
But her mom has other concerns.
I'm sure as young drivers, the costs are going to go up for the whole family. And of course you have to figure out where it's going to come from in the budget.
Cure Auto Insurance executive Eric Poe says parents worry if getting car insurance for their children may be something they can afford.
Most parents have no idea about how much they're going to see their rates increase when their kids get their license for the first time. Even when they don't buy a car for their teenage driver, their rates sometimes triple simply the day they get their license.
Those with Cure Auto say what many parents don't know is whether or not their child plans on driving, they still have to claim them on their policy. And for many people, they'll see their rates significantly go up.
They could drive the vehicle, they may be a passenger in the vehicle, and if they don't disclose them, it's considered insurance fraud.
Poe says parents need to avoid fraud by reporting children in their home who are eligible to drive. But he says there are ways families can save money.
By probably buying an older car for their child, putting the car in their name, and having their children actually get their own car insurance specifically for that car.
The type of car you have and the age of that car affects your rates. So if you have your child driving a newer and more expensive car, then you could pay more in car insurance.
I think I'm going to be driving my dad's old car. I like it a lot.
But for ultimate savings, Poe says that's where Cure Auto Insurance stands out.
We basically try to keep our rates within a certain reasonable rate so that it won't put a parent out of going to a second job in order to afford their kid who has their first license.
For Eye Opener, I'm Ashley Johnson.